Okay, here we have a Vizio. What does it say there? 50W2. I think it's something else though. Anyway, it's a Vizio. They have Samsung screens in them. SDI, built in 2007, the end of 2007. Model number S50HW-Y902. That's the screen anyway. It's a Vizio model something else, I think. 55, I think, because it's a 55-inch. Okay, anyway, it looks like this is our... here's the back. I took all the screws out of it. There's about 55 screws in it. Okay, it's a Vizio 39 Tesla, Irvine, California. It's a VP50 HDTV 20A. That's the model number. So, and it was built in the end of 2007. Anyway, you take all the screws out. There's a couple hidden screws. You don't want to lay these on their face. I know that. I've done a couple of them here, and the weight of the glass will break. So only lay it on its back if you have to lay it down. You really don't want to lay it on its face. I've laid down a Samsung on its face before, it didn't break, but you're kind of pushing it. There's a couple screws hidden. You take all the screws out, right? Then you're gonna have a couple in this groove. You don't have to take the bottom screws out, but there's two in this groove, one there and one there on each side. And you gotta take those out, or this thing will only come to like right here. This is as far as I got it. Can't get it off anymore, but this is fine because I want to get at this power board here. Okay, I unplug this one here. These two look similar. There's the bottom one. Push the clip in. This one will be the bottom. Bottom first, then top. Bottom. Top has two plugged into one connector. So that'll be easy. Top. Okay. That's the only place that one can go. It's a little connector with fat wires, 16 gauge or 14, 22 gauge wires. Bigger connector there. Looks like some 18 or 16. Looks like 16 gauge wires here. On top. I've already spotted a couple puffed capacitors, not much, but the 1, 2 right there. And then I don't know if that's leaking or if it's just a green mark. Okay, here's where the main our phase comes in there. Alright, let's pull all the screws out. Here we go, take two. Alright, they sent me the wrong capacitors here. They're 10 volts, but they're more microfarads. They're 33. They're 10 volt. You don't want to have not enough voltage or too much. 10 volt, but more capacitance, so it'll be you know, extra voltage if we need it. So you shouldn't really be doing this, but we're gonna just give it a shot. It should be only 22 microfarad, 10 volt. We're using 33, so that's more than 20%. But it'll just be extra, like a battery. If we need it, it'll use it. Hopefully it doesn't delay if it doesn't turn on and within a set amount of time, then the fail-safe might kick in. So if it works, it works. If it doesn't, then we'll desolder them again and put the correct microfarad 22 there. But you definitely need the right 10 volt, otherwise it'll blow up. The top will pop. So we have 2 under there, puff tops there, you can see them, and then 1 right there. And we're going to try out the new Hakko, it's called. It's a Hakko. Yeah, Hakko. Soldering iron, it's adjustable here. Pretty sweet. It's got the flashing indicator. Once it's up to temp, I guess it starts flashing. It's got the interchangeable tips. It's a nice one there. It's about 40 bucks on eBay. Please like and subscribe. See part 2. Get this beast going. It's a Vizio with the Samsung LCD, not LCD, it's yeah, monitor, projection. No, it's not projection, it's plasma. It's a Vizio with Samsung parts. See part 2.